Fridays are market days at Chamba in the Nanumba North Municipality. Chamba, known for its agricultural produce, particularly yams, draws buyers from as far as Kumasi and Accra, lured by the favorable prices. However, the condition of the road remains a long-standing concern. Despite 7 years of ongoing efforts by contractors, little improvement has been seen. The waterlogged area, Kumboni, designated for bridge construction and temporary diversions, has now succumbed to water, complicating the situation for the road users. The predicament amplifies with a cargo vehicle laden with yams stuck in the water, further exacerbating the commuters' plight. The driver, determined to reach Kumasi, voices his exasperation to Citi News.
Mefiri Kumasi na yebelodu ba ira kwa Kumasi. Ya belode wie so ya ba kwan no so bimbila kwan road no. Nsuo na tai bebia ma dɔɔso nti ye ba no efom no emre. Na by now the bridge no mo yes so mo nyenye wie ye. And the bridge no so ama atimi how the problem about sent no. Ama ye say can na be for balance. Ye ntimi mpie ya kwa peka bi kura ba say can be twi can mpie. Oba bi try kura no spring kura bobu wantimi anchika no. And they say ye no money bi. Edi akogu kwan no ansa na motimi atwika no. Anti we dey wada no mesre nanado na MP don make say omombo mode na omombo ai na omontimi nye kwan na mai na kase no fa soro.
A local market woman who owns the yams on the stranded vehicle also expresses her distress.
Mefiri Kumasi. Na yebesen kwato ba ile wo Bimbila. Ese ekwan no ma aye bridge na wi aka feeling keke. Aye so mo feeling maka afa so no. E no man feeling aye ka be huna mani sei. Ese so bank loan ye je eye adwuma. Enti ese ye ba na BBC asem be na ye kwaka kire bankfo. Eye den am ba sika no. Traveling
market women from Bimbila resort to dismounting from their tricycles to facilitate passage across the troubled route. Some of them vent their frustrations, feeling neglected by the political authorities. Several of the women have shared their grievances with Citi News.
Tukul balance na hali to pana kwenu ngoma to kadiri pana ko katinya sagar bon pompo ngombo ma halo yi gatiji to kotinya makana to katinya nation wahala ma ka to kunda dezo to suru gwamnati kwamba bayim na mal solma atiti dezo to suru gwamnati na ton ma na zom na won bayim na son to kata ba matiti.
Passengers traveling from Accra to Salaga also find themselves marooned. Speaking to Citi News, they explained that their usual route faced similar obstacles, compelling them to choose this alternate path, now met with the same fate.
We are going to Salaga, from Accra to Salaga. There are 2 cars blocked from the Pandai route to Salaga, so we decided to use the Bimbila-Salaga route. And here be another hazard we are seeing now. The road is also blocked. We don't know how we are to be connected to Salaga too. Yeah, so that's the reason why we are here today.
Consequently, they make an earnest plea for the prompt repair of the bridges. They specifically call upon the Member of Parliament for the area, Dominic Nitiwul, who also serves as the Minister for Defence and holds responsibility for the contractors overseeing the road, to take immediate action.
We need the support of the government. His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo should do his best and then at least fix this road for us.